If you're struggling with a porn addiction and you're relying on accountability apps, support groups, discipline, and willpower, yet you keep relapsing, you keep struggling, you keep finding yourself falling back into the same patterns of behavior, then the chances are you are not looking at your recovery through the proper lens. You are not taking a proactive approach. So in today's video, man, what I want to do is I'm going to give you 5 things that I think all men need to be doing every single day if they're struggling with a porn addiction and they want to quit this behavior for good, reboot and rewire their brain, and ultimately step into the life that they were designed to live. For those of you guys that don't know me, Frank Rich here at Rebuilt Recovery, and over the last 3 years, we've helped over 250 men break free from the chains of their porn addiction. We've done this through providing valuable content here on YouTube, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also through our free ebook, the 7-Step Guide to Living Life Without Porn. So down there in the first pinned comment below, you can pick up your copy today. But if you begin to take action on these 5 things, you begin to live these out every single day, it is my belief that not only will you break free from this porn addiction, but you will set yourself up for success in every single area and endeavor within your life. And I think the first thing that all men need to be doing if they're struggling with a porn addiction is they need to be having a gratitude practice. You need to begin to spend time every single morning to identify 2 to 3 to 5 things that you can be grateful for. Because here's what's happened. When you begin to proactively seek out things to be grateful for, you train your mind, you train your brain to look for things to be grateful for. And then what happens is you begin to create an abundance of gratitude within your life. And an abundance of gratitude is going to keep you from wanting to chase fantasy, keep you from wanting to escape the reality that you designed for yourself. So take a couple minutes every single morning and write down 2 to 3 things from the previous day that you could be grateful for. The fact that you're alive and awake is a great place to start. Maybe you had a deep, meaningful conversation with a coworker. Maybe you got to spend some time with your wife and kids at the end of the day. Express these things, begin to feel what it feels like to be grateful for these things in the moment. The second thing that I think all men need to be doing is they need to be chasing and pursuing some type of purpose and some type of passion. Yes, we all have responsibilities. We have our jobs. We have our careers. But spend 30 to 60 minutes every single day working on a project outside of your regular life. Something that lights you up on the inside. Something that is of service to the rest of the world. Something that can help people. Whether it's your musical fortitude, whether it's starting a side hustle, maybe doing some men's coaching, maybe doing some ministry. Dedicate yourself to the pursuit of purpose and passion. The third thing is you need to have some physical movement, some exercise on a daily basis. Now, I believe 4 to 5 days a week, you need to be training through resistance training. So this could be strength training, powerlifting, bodybuilding, CrossFit. It doesn't matter. Put your body under some resistance and under some load. And then on the days where you aren't in the gym, get outside, 30 to 60 minutes of outdoor nature walking. Get your body moving. Begin to create neuroplasticity in your brain through the act of physical exercise. The fourth thing you need to be doing is you need to have a regular fasting practice. I believe men that practice an intermittent fasting schedule on a daily basis and then once a week follow a prolonged fasting, maybe up to 24 hours, begin to build the discipline, begin to build the willpower, begin to build the self-control needed to stay off of porn. And the fifth thing is stop hitting snooze. In my opinion, hitting the snooze button is one of the most destructive things that a young man or any person can do in their life. For number 1, it's you telling yourself that your life, your dreams, your goals are not as important as that warm, cozy bed, but more importantly, it's breaking that first promise that you make to yourself. So begin to execute and implement these 5 things into your life. Begin to have a gratitude practice. Begin to fast from food. Begin to pursue purpose and passion. Begin to exercise and move your body on a daily basis. And stop hitting snooze. And brother, I'm telling you, in time, you will get over this destructive behavior. You will reboot and rewire your brain, and you'll step in a life that you were designed to live. Frank Rich from Rebuilt Recovery. We love you guys. We'll see you in the next one.